This nutty and immensely cheesy pesto pasta will become your family's new favorite weekend dinner. First and foremost, we'll roast our almonds, spread them on a baking tray and bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Keep stirring occasionally to prevent them from over browning, or you could roast them on the stove. Let them cool down to room temperature. Now let's make the pesto. Into the food processor, we'll pour in the almonds and garlic. Pulse them to a very fine texture. You can make it in a food processor or a normal mixer grinder. Then add the basil. And the lemon juice. I kind of forgot that for a moment, but the lemon juice is very important as it adds a zing to our pesto. With the machine running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil. Continue processing until everything is well blended. Now add the cheese. Usually Parmesan is the go-to cheese for pesto, but it isn't accessible to everyone. So today we are using our normal processed cheese. Now that it's almost done, add salt to season. Pulse for another 30 seconds and give it a taste. For the pasta, heat enough water in a pot. And season it with a lot of salt. Let it come to a boil and then add the pasta. Cook for 8 to 12 minutes. Once it's done, reserve 2 to 3 cups of the starchy cooking liquid and drain the pasta. Pour half of the pasta into a large bowl. Add half a cup of pesto and 1/3 cup of the starchy cooking liquid. Give it a mix and add more pasta water if it's too dry and more pesto if it's bland. Drizzle some olive oil and finish with more grated cheese.
Choose me.